Welcome to Camp EZ RV's YouTube channel.
Today you're watching a video of the 2026 SeaArk 2472 C.U.B.
Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.